me and see me? Yeah,
Hi, good. Yeah, yes, I can see you and we can hear very clear. Thank you.
excellent. Okay, so today we would be starting with the content identity. Last week we have learned about content identification. Today we would be learning how to upload the content in a way so that your content ranks on the first page of YouTube while it is searched, right? So for that, let's dig into the pointers first. Okay. So the first point is identifying the right keywords for a topic. Now, I believe we all have our next at least 20 videos scanned and ready. Is it so? Did you do the content research, guys, as we discussed last week, that we will have to pick at least 8 to 10 same niche channels and see what are they doing, where are they getting the maximum views, and you will have to target those topics initially, at least for first 30-35 content, so that your channel's visibility increases. Along with that, your contents already remains on search. So are you doing it? Have you done it? Who has done it? Please type me in the chat box without unmuting. Please type me in the chat box. If you have not done, then this is crucial. Who has done it? Nobody. Content research, for content research, you don't need your channel to be up. Even if your channel has not yet been up, still you can do the content research. This is crucial. Do it. Okay. Otherwise, if you have not chosen the content, first of all, your niche is clear, then why aren't you understanding that it is very crucial for us to pick and choose those contents in our relatable niches which are already ranking? That will make your work smoother. Okay, your way smoother. Okay, so if you have not done, kindly do it. Yes, Mr. Wong, if you have any question.
Okay, so actually, I did something different. I should have followed, but now I'm in trouble because what I did and what you actually thought clash. So what I did was actually I got a niche and then I key into ChatGPT and now it has come out with a complete 30-page pack, production pack, 20 short video and 20 long video, name, script, everything all there already. But then I still don't have my brand name.
Okay, no problem. Even if you are doing it in ChatGPT, that is also fine. Just check it
Yeah.
once with, just copy the titles and paste it in YouTube and see how creators are doing it, because ChatGPT will give you the textual contents, right? But
Yeah.
when you visualize it, when you see how others are doing, it will be easier for you to analyze and design your content accordingly, or plan your script accordingly, right? Plan your layers accordingly. So it is always good that even though you are taking help of LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever you're using, but always pick the topic, copy it and paste one by one topic. Let's say I have taken the topic number 5 for this sake of saying, I'm saying, say for topic number 5 I liked, so I will copy quickly, I will paste it in YouTube and check what other content creators are doing on the same topic and how are their videos looking like. And then you will be understanding whether that format is feasible for you or not feasible. If not feasible, you need guidance. Then you need to share the topic along with that 2-3 URLs to me, so that I can go through and say, and you say that, see, follow me, these are the problems. Now, in these 3 videos, I find they are coming on camera and then there are some visuals coming. I'm not understanding how are they doing. That can be a problem, right? You don't want to come on camera. Then I'll have to figure out, I can be able to say, that's a no problem. If you want similar videos without coming on camera, these are the ways. Now, next step
So,
is how should we execute it, right? So first step is see yourself. Nobody is going to do this research on your behalf, because there is
yeah.
no point. I know my topic best, you know your topic best. And
Mm.
ultimately, I would be rendering for my, I would be shooting or I would be creating my videos. You would be creating your videos.
Okay.
If I understand best, I cannot until and unless I can make you understand, it will be, your journey cannot start. You know,
So,
so always better that you come up with the problem. You will face problem once you do this exercise, right? Yes, Mr. Ramakrishnan. Yes, sir.
can I have one more question? No,
Yes,
one more
please.
question.
Yes. Okay. Let me just finish with Mr. Wong, then I'm coming. Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Wong.
So,
Yes, please.
so right now, I have the issue of what I have created and what you have taught seems to be some what they call dichotomy. There's a difference there. So now I am not sure whether I'm behind or ahead of you. So that's the situation I'm in now, lah. So it's okay. I think I will sort out by the next what they call lesson. So the next 1 week, because right now what I have is 30 pages of all these. But then I'm trying to look at what you actually taught us. I'm trying to synchronize it. Okay.
It's not synchronizing. So, sir, I would like to ask you what you thought that should be your topic initially. What was your niche?
I
What you thought?
my topic is actually um helping people to create online income,
Online
senior
income.
online income for seniors, housewife, and unemployed people.
Okay, online income generation is a very trending topic. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you choose this topic, you can give this same topic in GPT and ask for a couple of channels link. GPT will provide the title and
Oh,
link,
okay, okay,
4 to 5. Now
okay,
your job would be to go and search with those URLs that what are they creating, and
okay, okay,
done. Your topics are ready. Now we will help you to execute, right? So
okay,
simple three-step process. You have told me it's a very high paying niche, I'm telling you, very high demanding niche, so you're on the right track, sir, right? So
okay, okay.
the same thing you need to put it in chat GPT. Simple process. Step
Yeah,
number
yeah.
one, I want to help senior citizen or maybe retired
Housewife.
professionals,
Okay.
housewives and
Mhm.
unemployed individuals to make online income in 2026 and next 5 years, right? So
Correct, correct.
please suggest me five best channels on YouTube with their channel name and URL so that I can do my own research on the topic.
Okay,
So you
okay,
will
okay.
see in a column format, in a tabular format, ChatGPT will give you five channels, name with URL.
Okay.
Then
Yes,
next
yes.
half an hour you invest to click each and every URL and
Yeah.
minutely check what topics are they covering and where maximum views are coming.
Okay, okay. So I jumped the gun now because why I didn't do this part. I straight away go and ask the ChatGPT to generate script, generate
No, no,
video
no,
and
no,
all.
no, that
Okay,
comes
I
later.
jumped the
Script.
gun already. I should have done. No, I will do this now.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is
Yeah.
more important. First, you know what you need to create. Then comes script. Script is once this exercise is done, you would be having 10
Yeah.
to 15 videos which has already got the view. Recent days,
Got.
not older days.
Okay.
Recent days are better,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
you see
Yeah.
the latest content with 50,000 views, I would suggest, sir, you immediately create the same one because people are
Okay.
watching that. That is the trending, right? So once that is ready, title is ready, now we will go and create the script and then you can create your
Okay.
avatar or you can shoot whatever is convenient. We will work on that. This first step is this.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Ramakrishnan, over to you, sir.
Ma'am, first of all, good evening.
Good
I have
evening.
a three questions. One
Yes.
is last week you have taught us to how to do the ECG. So here my question is, my channel is already have the 103 videos. So does it required for the existing channel?
Three video. How many videos?
103, 103.
Okay, no problem. You start from now onwards. Whatever video you have made, don't never delete it because that has already created a nice history for your channel. Whether it is having very small views or huge views, that's a different thing. But a channel history has been developed. Don't destroy it. Don't disrupt it. Now
Okay.
onwards, whatever content you would be creating, that should be having a good balance. That's all I'm saying.
No, the ECG method, is it I need to follow it or not?
Now onwards you do that.
Okay, okay. And the second question is that channel tags you have used for your demo.
Keywords, channel
Yeah,
keywords.
yeah. You have used capital, VAG, VAG pay, farming space and you used capital, and again you have used with space and without space you have used only 3 tags.
Yes. Those are upload default tags. Those are default tags which should be there in all your videos, sir.
no, ma'am, in the channel settings you have showed
In the channel settings, that is upload default tags. That
Okay.
will come in the content by default. When I'll be sharing today, you will see where are they coming.
Okay.
No.
And the third question is regarding that impression rate you have taught us, right?
Right, sir.
So the impression rate is what I understood. So for example, I have uploaded the video. When I upload the video, it was like above 8, above 6, above 7. Okay, but once the viewers are start increasing the views, for example, when it was 10, that impression rate was 8 above. But when the people are started viewing it, that impression rate automatically reducing into 4, 3, 2. So it is deviating. So how we have to calculate it?
Normal it is. See, the thing is, click-through rate you're talking about. Impression
Yes,
click-through,
yes.
CTR, right? Now, CTR, understand the relationship between impression versus view versus CTR. Let me show you one magic. Let's say when your impression is, let it come. Impression is suppose 30.
Okay, okay,
30 impression.
okay,
Impression click-through rate is 10%. For example,
okay.
30 impression click-through rate is 10%. What would be your view if all the views come from only impression and click-through rate?
Okay.
30 impression with 10% view, 10% click-through rate. What would be your view? 3 views, right?
Yep.
Now impression increases to 100. Okay? Impression is 100. Click-through rate is 6%. What is your view? 60.
Okay.
Okay. Now impression goes to 1 lakh. Your click-through rate is 4.5% or 4%. Okay. What is your view? 40,000. You're getting the relationship.
Okay.
So my aim is impression. If impression is really good, like even 1 lakh, 2 lakhs are good. Okay. 1 lakh impression, yet click-through rate is 6% above, is an extremely good performance. That is your viral video. Will that happen for every video? No. No. Okay. So what you will have to see is whether impression is increasing or decreasing, or it's stagnant. Okay. If impression is too small and click-through rate, I have seen even 200% also it can be click-through rate. How? Impression is only 30, but because of your push, somehow 60 views have come. So 200% people have watched, meaning 100 is the impression and 60 views came from your side, maybe 30 views came. You will see 200% click-through rate.
Okay.
No, that is also possible. So your aim should be always to wait for 48 hours and check whether the click-through rate is going to below, like maybe below 4.5%. Then you change the thumbnail for once, okay, and wait for another 48 hours.
Okay.
Okay, still it is decreasing, no improvement. Okay, then you try to tweak a little bit with the title.
Okay.
Nothing else matters. For click-through rate, only first 70 characters of title and the thumbnail. These two are responsible for bringing click-through rate. Nothing else.
Okay.
Nothing else. So you just wait for 48 hours.
Okay. Thanks.
So shall we get into the topic today? So all I'm saying is, first is how to find the keywords for the meta keywords for the topic. Simple process. Okay, if I have the topic, let's say this is my topic. For example, this video has got quite a high view. So let us see. Let's think that create an animation in 3 steps. Okay, this is my topic. Let's say go to ChatGPT. Let it load. Then give role YouTube SEO expert. Task, provide the long tail keywords and trending keywords for this topic for YouTube. Instruction, provide a title, SEO friendly title, okay? For this topic with a short description. Make sure to add the trending and long tail keywords naturally. Naturally is important. Why? It's not that these keywords will only be there in the description. They will have to use the keywords while writing a sentence. So naturally, in the title and in description. Now, second caution, not caution, second context. If you have this topic, go to YouTube, normal YouTube. Paste the video. Enter. Okay. Now let's say this is a video you're following, for example, or this is the video you're following. Yeah. So go to this video.
It was a Saturday morning, like any.
Okay. So here you can give an example of the description. This is the example of the description and some tags. So here you give the input. And example description for your reference is this. Some example tags for your reference are those. While copying, never copy any channel's name. Like here, this you cannot copy. Rest you can copy. Output, textual, title, and description, and meta tags or keywords. Trending keywords. Enter. Okay. So you will have to give these information so that SEO friendly title and descriptions can be given. Now see, clearly they have given that SEO friendly title would be this. Either you go for this, or they have given CTR, high CTR titles as this. You choose any one. Okay, or any three. I'll show you. So now we have the keywords ready, trending keywords ready, and title ready. Now let us go to YouTube. Let us switch the channel. So first go to, this is a trial channel. Okay. So how will you upload this? Now go to this create button and go to upload video. We all know that. Select a file, whatever file you want. Let me just select one random file. MP4 file. I'm not getting. Let's say I am taking this file, okay? Clear? First things first, you can go for, first is title. So, you may choose one title or three titles. Well, our sir doesn't really suggest you to go for three titles unless and until you have huge view. Otherwise, the A/B testing will not take place anyway. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to stick to this first one only, which is high CTR driven. Okay, copy this and paste it. Simple as that. Done it. Okay, now I have, so here whatever you are seeing, that is the upload default where we have uploaded the default content. That one is appearing here. Okay. So along with that, I would be providing this as the description. So add it. Little bit on top. Okay. Here they have given so many hashtags. You don't need to give more than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest will not be visible. So you may delete it. Okay. Now next is go little downwards, thumbnail. Okay. Again, thumbnail also A/B testing doesn't work unless and until you have huge view. Okay. So I am taking any 16:9 thumbnail picture. Okay. Now next is playlist. In playlist, you will have to go to new playlist when you're starting first. Okay. Next is go to new playlist or new course. Just let me see if this video is getting recorded. One second. You guys can see now? Yes, give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up if you can see my screen. Or unmute and say, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So, new playlist, go to new playlist. Now, see one thing. In playlist also, you need to mention, guys, your channel name. Why? Because these tiny little things do matter cumulatively when after 1 year, you will see your channel is ranking at the first page of Google like Vacpe Media. Wagpay Media, if you type now, okay, without running any ad, it comes at the top of the Facebook, Google page, right? So here I will type the name of the channel. Here it is, Mystic Epic Trailer Stories. Or I'm typing my channel name only, Wagpay Media. This will be your channel name, okay? And then you type the playlist. Let's say this is animation playlist or 3D animation. All 3D Pixar animation style pictures, videos, I would be posting here. Okay. Now, here I have typed 3D Pixar animation. These also will work as a keyword. If 3D Pixar animation somebody types, because my playlist also named in this way, there is a chance that my channel, my content will be coming on top of the page. Okay. Wagpay Media is the name of the content channel. We use it maximum times in tags, in playlist. Okay, why? Because it makes a space. It makes a footprint in the World Wide Web when somebody clicks on contents which comprises Wagpay Media tag or keyword. These all are keywords. You're getting my point, right? So always maintain this format. Your channel name, colon, and then the detail. Okay. Now, you should be making it public always. Okay, language up to you. You may choose it at the beginning in the settings itself. Then you don't have to choose it here. I probably didn't choose in this channel, so it's coming like this. And create. Okay. Now, does it mean that I will have to add only one playlist for one video? No. I can create another playlist also. I can create Wagpay Media AI film trailer tutorial or guide. Okay. Again, AI film trailer is a keyword. Wagpay Media I have used second time. So create. Like this, you can have 6 to 7 playlists also, if those are resonating. Now, if suppose I give here how to make e-commerce business profitable, then it's a flag because my content has nothing to do with e-commerce business. But just because e-commerce business is trending right now, I have added that name, that word in my playlist or in my description, in my title, in my hashtag, not allowed. Okay. Now this is done and I'll do done. Done. Next is whether this video is for kids or not. If not, then no. If yes, then yes. Show more if your video comprises any paid promotion. Now let me make it very clear to you because many of you would be doing moving forward sponsorship. If you check this, sponsorship is not affiliate marketing. Let's say you take an affiliate link of a microphone and you place it in your description. And during the video, you mention that if you want the same microphone, maybe you have shown the utility, pros and cons there, or unboxing kind of video. And you say that if you want this microphone, I have given the link in the description. Or maybe art and craft, if you're creating, or any company provides affiliate marketing, affiliate commission. So if you are attaching any of these links, that doesn't mean that you'll have to check this box. It is not promotion. What is promotion? When you are actually demonstrating or you are actually showing or using some products for which the company directly paid you some remuneration. Direct payment. Not only the product was sponsored. Let's say I have a microwave and I sponsored you that. I send it to you. And I say that for your next cooking video, you're going to showcase my microwave and promote it. Okay. So If something like that is there, which has got any payment terms only, then paid promotion only, then you have to check it. Yes. Clear? Not for affiliate promotion, not for selling your courses, not for selling your ebooks. No. Okay. Now, what does it mean? When you check this box on the face of this video, on the left hand side corner, there would be an info button where people will get to see that this is having a paid promotion, so that they understand that whatever you are showing, for that you have got payment, so they can decide accordingly. No, because if I am promoting something where I have got no payment from, in that case it will be unbiased. But if suppose you pay me, or any company pays me for promoting their product, that means I have some interest linked to it. So I am not saying out of my own experience only, right? So for right to information, or right to be informed act, according to that act, you will have to let your audience know that for which content you have got payment, for which content you have not got payment, yet you are advising. Only in that case you'll have to check. If not, then don't check it. Next, if you're using AI, then obviously make it yes, otherwise no. What is collaborator? Here, collaborator is someone whom you are with, like if you are collaborating with Vacpay Media, then this video will be shown with an overlapping, I would say, channel icon in Vacpay Media channel itself. Okay. So what happens is your content gets the benefit of my audience. It's like cross community. You have got 1 lakh subscriber, I have got 1 lakh subscriber. So you are pushing your content in my channel. If I approve, then it will be coming to my channel, but none of the payments or anything will be coming to me. Neither views, nor subscribers, nor any payment. Whatever is coming, it will come to you only. Okay, but you are leveraging my audience, and if I allow you, then you can, if I approve it, then you can leverage my audience. Same way, I also can share the videos with you, you approve it, and I get the leverage to cross channel audience, right? Your audience gets benefited from my content, my audience gets benefited from your content. Simple as that. Clear? So here you will have to search for the channel, suppose Vacpay Media. Okay, I choose the channel. Then you will have to choose whether you want them to see the analytics. I would suggest you no. You should not be revealing your analytics to anybody. And you will have to create a link. If you create a link, this link has to be copied and sent to them. You will have to share it via email or WhatsApp or whatever. Okay, and then that channel will get a notification. I'm removing right now. Will get a notification, and if they approve, then your content will be shown on their wall as well. Clear? Next is these things you don't have to change. Okay. Next is this keywords. Okay, you already have it. Okay. Long tail keywords, you take 5. Okay. Like this, you'll have to take 5 long tail keywords and 5 short tail keywords, trending keywords. Okay. Until and unless you reach to 500 characters. Or you can ask ChatGPT to give in CSV format, so that within 500 characters, they can do the mix and match. But I would suggest you only do it. They have given SEO meta tags in CSV format. You can directly copy these also and directly paste it here. Okay, but it has exceeded the character limit for sure. So you can just delete a couple of it until the character limit is reached. See, this has gone far away. Okay, so like this, you'll have to create, And after tags, meta tags are done, title is done, thumbnail is done. Next is video language. We have already set it, right? Recording date is important. Give 1 day before so that it shows it is new. Next is whether you want to allow remix. Now, if you ask me whether you should allow or shouldn't allow, there is no harm in allowing. There is no benefit in allowing either, right? If you don't allow, there is no risk. If you allow, there is no risk. Okay. So what I do at times, I don't allow remix at all based on what content am I making. If somewhere I want to give only audio remix, I provide that thing. Otherwise, I provide this. But even if you get a remix, if somebody remixes your video and you gain some views from there, the views gets counted to your account only. Okay. So it's completely up to you. Completely your discretion. Okay. Next is category. If the category is the same category which you have actually selected while you are creating the channel, then same. Otherwise, as I told you, if suppose this content is about how to and style, not about education, don't forget to change it. Because suppose this content comprises some points or something which is not suitable for educational niche, then you will get a copyright strike. A guideline strike, not copyright strike, a YouTube guideline strike, and this video would be taken down just because of this fault. It has happened to me. By mistake, I forgot to change the category from education to film and animation. After almost 3 months, YouTube gave me a notification and took the video down. Okay, and once you get a strike, it remains on the face of your channel for 3 consecutive months. Very alarming, very disturbing. First time when I got a strike, I was so upset. I cried to Sriram sir. Sriram sir said, no problem, you be alert. Next 90 days, it will not happen. After that, I had 4 or 5 more strikes also because of this stupid thing. I forgot to do it, then I forgot only, and the problem is you will not get any any deviation alarm or something like that. And then one fine morning you will see there is a big notification that your video has been taken down. Why? Because it did not comply the rule. Just because you did not change the category. Okay. So be very alert about this. Okay. And then you may show or may not show the likes. That's up to you. Many people would see that there is 1, 2 likes. They will also not like even though they are about to. So I prefer not to show. Initially, I prefer not to show. But it's absolutely your discretion. Okay. This page is done. Any question? Any question?
Ma'am, actually, you have used that AI part, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Prompt.
No, in the description while you uploading, so there was a column called AI, whether you are using AI or not using AI.
Yes. There's a
So,
point.
yes. So, for example, if I am preparing a video in the background, so in the B-roll, I'm adding an anime video by using the AI. So, in this scenario, do I need to check the AI or any conditions are there?
No. If 80% is your part, voiceover, you are on the screen, then you don't have to give the disclaimer that it's an AI. It's not an AI video. 80% it's you, and 20% you are giving overlay and all. That is not AI video. AI video is which is 100% or 80% AI generated. 20% you are investing your voice, or you are giving your presence on camera, something like that. Or maybe at the hook you have come. Again on CTR, call to action part, you are coming. In between, once you are coming, remaining everything is a story which is made by AI. In these cases, you'll have to give a disclaimer that whatever your audience is seeing, that is AI generated, not human being.
Okay. So what is the difference like for normal the disclaimer you are providing as a
Nothing.
AI?
It's just an information to the public that whatever you're seeing, it's a synthetic content.
Which is not going.
Huh?
impact our revenue,
No,
right?
no, it has got nothing to do with your channel earning or channel impression or anything. It's just Right to Information Act is there since you're using AI based content, AI voiceover or synthetic content. That's the reason you like for the right to information, you will have to give this information.
Okay, and then second question is like while you preparing that video, right? You have extracted the tags from the video. So are you using any extension in the
Yes,
browser
it
or
is the TubeBuddy free extension. I always use TubeBuddy free extension.
okay,
Just
thanks.
add it to one of your channels, like the channel where you are actually uploading the video. That would be better.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Okay.
Which extension? What was the extension?
I use TubeBuddy extensions, or free TubeBuddy extension. I will show you towards the end how to install.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
At times, nowadays, I find that many of my mentees are saying that from phone they are not allowing, so you might have to do it from laptop. That's better. Okay, I'll show you. Just remind me once. So should I go ahead with the uploading part? Yeah. So this page is clear, right? Now.
Madam, if we make a thumbnail, hello. If we make thumbnail with the AI tool, how should we mention
Again, I'm telling you.
Are you using AI or not?
See, only 20% overall. If you feel that only
thumbnail we make.
20% like thumbnail or little bit in video is there, then you don't have to give the disclaimer here that yes, this is a content, it is an AI generated content. If majority, suppose only thumbnail is okay. Like Mr. Beast's all thumbnails are only AI. Rest all shot by himself. So he is having non-AI content only.
Okay.
So
Right,
rest everything will be as it is. Don't change, comment, no or anything. Okay, moderation and all. Let it be like this. Go to next. Okay. Now, okay, one more thing, very important. Here there is something called chapter which you have to give. What is chapter? Chapter also helps you to get some SEO points ranking. Okay, what is chapter? Let's say 0.0 colon 00. Sorry. Okay, so 0 colon 00 to 00 like this. Suppose hook or you've shown how to log in. Okay, then maybe 0, maybe 0 or maybe 1 colon 1 2 1 minute 12 seconds till 1 minute to, from 1 minute 12 seconds. You have given how to generate text to image in Canva. Okay. After that, maybe it is a 4 colon 10 this second. You have shown how to animate the scenes in Canva. Okay, maybe around 6.12 this time. You have said subscribe and like. Okay, like this, you will have to create chapter. When you will be posting in this way, okay, in this format, exact format, okay, this is the chapters format. This is the chapters format. If you actually create it in this way, I will give you this document actually. So here only I'm pasting. Otherwise, it will go now with the chat.
Each chapter, those notes we need to first note down, right? What is the seconds and
Yes, for first you will have to note down.
yeah,
And actually, what time you are starting that
correct,
part,
correct,
that time only you will have to mention.
correct. So that if someone wants to see this particular chapter,
That
that
directly will be led to them.
correct.
Don't we have any AI tool to extract these details?
Yes, it is there, but you can, that is, I don't know if it is paid. Even Note GPT can do that. Okay, let's say I have this link, right? So I have Note GPT. Okay, Note GPT, go to Note GPT. Okay, here you can go for timestamp. Okay, try it for free. Say you want YouTube transcribe. Okay, YouTube to text. Okay, you provide the link. Okay, it's not coming. So 1 second. Here you paste the link. Enter. They will be analyzing this video and they will give the timestamp. So you can very well see the timestamps. You don't have to write so many things, but you can just take the features like the timestamp 0.03. You can even download this. You can even copy this. You can download it also, but don't give such big description. Okay, give it in one line. You can ask first to download this and upload it in this thing, and then you have a chapter option, but that I think that needs payment or something. Just let me see. They will also give you chapters.
Okay.
Just copy this and paste it there.
Okay.
So that's it. Let's try it. Now they have given such big thick thing. So Control Z. You will first you just copy this and paste somewhere else, and then from there you paste it in. Don't paste it. I think they have given the full thing at the bottom, which is not required. You just need this much. So just copy, paste it somewhere, and then just these things you'll have to upload. The timing with the one line. Done. 90% done. 10% you do. Okay. Done it. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please paste the prompt in the documentation, ma'am, or in the group?
I will. Let's see.
We can just replace the title and our
Role
things.
title. Yes, that's it.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
I see you. I'm giving Note GPT link also. Note.im. Okay. Or you can do that, but the formatting should be this way. Otherwise, it doesn't. It is not clickable. It will not be clickable. Okay. Done. Okay.
Are you sharing this document?
I will share. I will share.
Okay.
I will share.
Thanks.
Okay, I'll share now only. Sure. Okay. This is your group, right?
Correct, correct, correct.
I have sent it. Whatever modification will be done, you can change. Who is asking, is there class today? Imagine people are asking me personally and they are not, how will I know which group? April batch. God knows. 5 groups using. Anyway. Okay. Now next is subtitle. If you go to add subtitle, you have auto sync already done. Okay. You really do not have to be bothered. It automatically comes. Okay. You can upload your own subtitle if you want, but that is not necessary. It's an old school. When we did not have the auto sync option, we used to do it manually. Okay. So now automatically the videos subtitle comes by YouTube only. Okay. So you don't really have to be bothered about it. Now, why ad screen is not coming? Because it is like, I would say it is not long enough. You will have to have 20 seconds outro at the end. You guys know what is intro, outro? Yes? Have you gone through YouTube Creators Blueprint course? Then you must be knowing. See, intro is, first is hook. In a video layering, first 15 to 20 seconds or maximum 30 seconds is a hook part. Maximum 30 seconds. Shorter is better. Hook is what? Nothing but the reason which you are giving to your viewer that for this reason you should be watching till the end. Now, there are 5-6 different types of hooks. Okay, I have a dedicated session. Next session is on that only. So I'll be providing you the details of different types of hooks which are applicable for conventional niches. Those who are having AI niches, for us hooks are different. Those who are in conventional niches, for them I will be sharing the hook strategy, because there you will have to shoot it. For AI creators, we can create it as and how I want. You have seen my video if you joined in on Saturday session, or you can go to my channel and check how I make the videos, how I make the hooks. Okay, that is in our hand, 100% control. But for them who are doing it manually, for you, it is challenging because you will have to come up with the idea. How will you hold the attention? Right?
Correct.
So for that, next week, I will be sharing a couple of hooks strategy. And those who have gone through YouTube Creators Blueprint, you also will be having some strategies there. Sir has shared it. Okay. So first, 15 to 20 seconds hook. After that, 5 to 8 seconds intro. What is intro? Intro is nothing but a visual representation or a graphical representation of the channel's logo, which will help your audience to remember. Okay. For example, when Doordarshan came in 90s, that time when I was very small. Okay. I don't know about you, but 32 years back, right? We still remember the tune. Remember? Whenever this sound comes, we can relate those half circles are rolling around one circle and coming with Doordarshan. This is the impact of sound and visual graphics, which will help your audience to recognize your channel if they come across later. Because understand the practicality, when somebody will first watch your video, they will neither notice your channel name nor they will notice your channel logo. But if they somehow cross the intro part, they should be remembering the sound, the tune, okay, or the graphical representation, right? And later, again, maybe 3 days later, somehow he or she clicks on another video of yours. By seeing that intro part only, they will be recognizing and recalling, this channel I watched before. Now they have a reason that, okay, I am clicking so many times, coming across so many videos of this channel. Let me see what is this channel. Then they will notice your channel. Yet they will not subscribe. No matter how many times you say subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Ideally, a person will subscribe on third or fourth click, when they will be coming across your content and clicking on your content, coming inside and watching for some time, for third or fourth time, then you will be achieving their subscription. They won't be afford to leave you or lose you. So they will subscribe. Unless and until you can build that trust or essential, that kind of, I would say, eagerness in that viewer, they will not subscribe no matter what you do. They are your cold audience, iced cold audience. Okay. So that is why intro helps people to recognize or re-recognize your channel. Every movie, film, when it starts, after they show the names and cast and all those, or even before that, first production houses, that logo comes with a visual representation with a sound, right? That is intro for films.
Yeah.
Even in movies also, you find intros.
Can we use the intro, you mean to say theme or anything for education content as well? So because you,
Of course,
okay,
intro is important for recognizing your channel.
okay,
Regardless to what niche you use, you will have to use intro.
okay.
Okay. So 5 to 8 seconds intro, done. Do not make it too long because it will unnecessarily grab their attention and they might leave. So 5 seconds is okay. Okay. And then you get into your main content. Your main content should be layered according to your requirement. I would suggest you should shoot, or if you are an AI content creator, then you should be creating a piece of CTA, call to action content, by your avatar or by any character which you want your channel to be representing. Okay. And call to action, that part should be scripted, well shot, or well designed. That should be given once after maximum 2 minutes of your content. Why? Because within next 2 minutes, I expect that you will start delivering the value which you committed at the beginning in hook. Because by now, 3 minutes are past. A person is sticking to your video for 3 minutes is quite a big time in today's world.
Correct.
Okay. So this is high time when you should be appealing for your subscription and like, comment. Now, comment they will not do by default. You can have some questions also to ask. Like, for example, if you go through my content, I always say that if you want the prompt document, type prompt in the chat or in the comment section. Because I know my tutorials are based on prompts only. And unless and until, like right now, you are asking about prompt, right? So if you don't have the prompt, it will be difficult for you to follow along with the tutorial, right? So I know it will be obvious for them to type prompt. Yes, some people would say that why to ask to type prompt, they can add it in description. What I do is at the bottom, little below the main contents, main lines, I add the description only. I add the link in the description itself. Okay. I add the same link in comment also. But I say it because people do not have that patience to go inside your description and find what is the link. If some clever clogs are saying this, Then I say, brother, go and check the description first, then blame the creator. I said because I want to spoon feed you. So what happened? That Clever Clocks has increased 2 engagements for my video. One is his comment and then one is my reply. So you need to be little tweaking. Okay. So, that's also after 2 minutes, you should be giving a call to action. It's just a drag and drop. Create that, keep it in global folder in Filmora, or if you're using Movavi, then you'll have to keep a separate folder and then you'll have to bring it for every project. I don't think there is any global folder or something. Okay, in the cloud. Anyway, so bring it. After that, again, normal content is continuing. Then towards the end, again, call to action. Then you have to create one outro. Okay, how to create outro? I think you can check that on 3 days YouTube Creators Blueprint program also. But I will quickly cover that if that helps you. I have a very detailed content on this, which I made long time back. I'm just sharing that link. If that also helps you, just give me a second. You can guys watch this video for intro and outro. These 2 videos you may check. Okay, but still I would like to show you. Go to create in Canva, YouTube, intro or outro, whatever you can give, no problem. Open it. First, I'll make a simple intro. Let's say some templates also would be coming. Okay, let's say I want to take this template and here I want to add my here I will type Vector Media. And I'll be adding my logo. Simple. Say bring it down. Bring it here. Remove background. Small. Bring it at the middle. Then go to animate. From here you can tumble or you can pause, flicker, rotate. This is better. So I don't want this. I just want this to be appearing from here. So this is going to be my intro. Let's play and see. Okay, that's all. 3 seconds, you can make it 5 seconds also, up to you. Okay, along with that, you can add an audio of your choice. Okay, let's say this is my audio. I want to add this. That's all. Okay.
In
Uh,
Canva, you have just to choose the intro only.
intro only.
Okay.
And I've chosen one template. Simple as.
Okay.
Now you'll have to just go to share, download, MP4 and download. Intro done. Now let us create an outro. Outro has to be 20 seconds long.
Follow me, sorry to stop you. Every time I come here, but I don't know how it will turn to be a video. Can you show it once again, please?
What you said here, where you come?
Can you come from beginning, please, if you don't
Okay,
mind?
okay. This is
Yes.
my Canva homepage.
Okay.
Okay, so I will
Okay.
go to create plus button top left.
Okay.
Okay, then I will type whatever, suppose YouTube video or YouTube intro.
Okay.
YouTube intro is always a video format only, MP4.
Okay.
Now open it.
Mm.
It will open a blank canvas.
Okay.
Right. Now from template, you choose any of these videos. Let's say I'm choosing this. Okay. Now
Okay.
click it. Click it. It will come like this. Okay. Now, if you want, you can extend a little bit. And then finally, add your logo or add a text. Okay. Let's say I add my logo here. Now, if you click on it, it will be coming like this. Okay, don't do that.
Okay.
Delete it. Just drag and drop it over here. Meaning, bring it to the middle and drag and drop it over here.
Okay.
Why is it not coming? Yeah, over here on this timeline. Okay.
Okay.
Then make it enlarge it. Then remove the background. Make it small.
Hmm.
Bring it here. Animate it a little bit. Okay. And make sure you bring it from here. Okay, so that it gets meaningful. See?
Okay.
So here it should appear.
Okay, if suppose I have only created some frames by using Nano Banana.
Hmm.
So how should I add those things? With the same templates we have to choose?
No. Why template? If you have some other videos, no template. Open it, upload here. Let's say go to upload your video from here. Let's take an example. So you're saying you have created image or video?
Video, 5
Video.
seconds
So let's
video
say
from
this is-
Nano Banana.
So
Yeah.
let us see. Let us see if this one is a video. Then click on this video. If click on this video, keep on adding blank canvas and keep on adding the video.
Okay.
Okay. Then
But
keep on adding the
transition
video.
would not be that great, no? That's my question.
What is it?
Transition, video to video.
From video to video, like in between transition.
Yes, yes.
Well, if you're asking about implicability, then I would say it's always transitions are not required. When do we get transitions are pattern breakers? If you need transition, only then. Transition you can give. Here you give, if you hover in between two slides, there is a transition. And you add any transition from here, add just the duration. Okay. But it is only meaningful when you need it. If it is a pattern break, it is not a continuity. Suppose this is the scene, then you have the continuous scene, then there is no required. But then if it is different scene, then it's okay.
If the client send in zip format, how do I unzip in Canva?
You cannot unzip in Canva. You will have to unzip in normal folder, and then from there you'll have to upload.
Okay, thank you.
You will have to extract from the zip outside only. In Canva, you can bring only if it is out of zip.
Can you, is it possible to show me how to unzip?
Very easy. I just deleted a zip folder. Let's say, let's say these 4 video images, I
Okay.
put in a zip folder. Let me open a zip folder. New.
You get the extract option.
You just add it. Suppose this one is here. Where is it gone? Wait, where is the report? Okay. Now right click, extract all.
Okay.
Or you open the zip folder. Windows can, there is some problem. This is I just created. So you
Okay.
just either right click or extract all. This is done. Otherwise, open it and then extract. Simple.
Okay. Thank you.
Now let us proceed. No problem.
Yeah.
And next is outro. Outro is, suppose take a blank one. Either what I prefer is you go to template, and here you type YouTube outro. Okay. You may take any of these formats if you want. Okay, let's say I'm taking this format. Okay, now you can change all these elements. All these elements. You don't have to give any email ID or handle. Nobody bothers. Okay, subscription button is okay. And here all you need to give is, actually this is also not required, you know. Thanks for watching is also not required. Subscription button is okay, and give some boxes like this. Why? Because you need to put three elements. Here it will be a circle, and remaining part would be 3 elements or 2 elements. Okay, if you feel that I will be giving 2 videos for outro, then make 2 boxes like this, and in between a circle. Why? I'll show you that. Let's say I'm taking a circle, I'll make it white. Okay, this is what my format is now. Okay, max to max you can give your channel logo will be here itself. So I want these 2 elements, but you can add 4 elements. Okay, now just drag them towards the left at the beginning. Okay, but make sure these are 22-second long. See, this is only 20-second long, and this is only 5-second long. So make it 20-second long. You'll have to make it 20-second long. Okay, this is 10-second. You'll have to make it double or use it twice in Filmora. Okay, you'll have to make the outro 20-second long, no matter what. This is 20-second. Now this is okay. Here, if it is not extendable, then you'll have to duplicate it. Otherwise, it should be 20-second long at least. Little more than 20-second. Clear? Done. So now this is 20-second, only this one is left. So stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Okay, so 20 seconds long. Now do share, download. Now when you will be editing it, you will have to add it to at the end
While
of your.
downloading, in which quality we have to download?
This will
Like
automatically
MP4.
download it 1080 pixel.
Okay.
This will automatically download in 1080 pixel. Okay, and this one you will have to add at the end of your video. Only then this outro part will come. This end card will come. Now I'm going to show you here how to add the end card. Let's suppose I edit it. Okay, this will automatically come. Okay, so what I prefer is I prefer to give 3 elements. How to add the elements? Let me delete one. Let's say this element I delete. I've deleted all elements. Okay. Now how to get these elements? Now this is my outro, the one which I have exported. Okay. Now you'll have to choose which one you want to give. Let's say I want to give this one. You can maximum give this one. Okay. So let me show you the maximum one. Okay. Select it. Okay. Now here you will have to add your Vacpay Media subscription button. That will automatically come. Okay. Next is here you'll have to choose it and you'll have to go to you'll have to go here and check which one you want. Okay, here if you want to give some other video, then go to this edit option and say I want to give this video. Okay, then go come here. Here you can give one playlist. Okay, let's say this playlist I want to give. Okay, and last is most recent video. This is okay if you want, or else you can give a specific video also. Choose a specific video. And no, I don't want this. I want, let's say, I want this one. Okay. So these 3 I want and then save it. So outro is done. This is how I'll have to give outro. Then then cards. What is card? What is the utility of card? Utility of card is you give an option that your viewer, if your viewer is not liking this video, then they can go for the next video. So you can add either video, playlist, or different channel. Now for us, we will not be actually leading them to a different channel, of course not. So we would be either adding video and or playlist. How many? 3 videos, 2 playlists are good. So if I go to plus button, I will be having the videos. Okay. So here I have less videos, so it's not allowing me. Then go to plus button and then go to playlist. Let's say I'm taking this playlist. Like this playhead. This is called playhead. Okay. Whatever you will be placing the playhead and going to the plus button, and whichever option you'll be selecting, whether playlist or video, that will appear at that point. You can also move this. Okay. So 5 iCards you should be adding, and that will appear like this. These are clickable. If they do not like this video, rather than leaving your channel, why don't you watch this video also I have created? Okay, they might like that. Yeah. So by hook or by crook, you should be trying to hold the audience, hold your viewers to your channel as long as possible. Okay.
Do we have any thumb rule like every 10 seconds or every 5 seconds?
No thumb rule. No thumb rule.
Okay.
Equal distribution. I do equal distribution. First, 1 minute I leave. After that, I equally distribute 5 videos.
For example,
3 videos, two playlists. Huh?
for example, you have a 10 minutes of video or 15 minutes of video. How will you segregate?
Every 2 minutes, one iCard should appear.
One video, one playlist, one video, one playlist. Like that?
3 videos, 2 playlists. Yes, 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 video. That's it.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Now there is one more thing, that is add quiz. You can add a quiz which will be appearing at the bottom. You can add a question, okay, and some answers. If you are, this is just because you want to increase the engagement. Okay, so you can add that. I'm not adding it right now. Go next. Here, these both should be ticked. If there is any guideline issues or the copyright issue, first fix it, then publish. Okay. Go next. Here, ideally, it should be unlisted because we have selected unlisted in channel creation part. Okay. But when you will be publishing, make sure your HD quality video is uploaded. Everything is proper. Thumbnail is uploaded. Okay. You have checked already that iCard, end card, your description, chapters, titles, everything is in place. Only then hit this public button directly. Otherwise, schedule it. Now, if I talk about scheduling or publishing, what is the right time? Anytime and every time. If you publish for long form video, it's not good. Okay. So what is the best suggestion? Always try to publish when people are more relaxed and they can find you. Okay. Or they're searching. What time they do search? Ideally, after 7 p.m. in India. Right. So 1 hour before 6 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. is okay, because it takes algorithm some time to push your content, to recognize our published content. So give that breathing time to algorithm. Okay, that I have already published this video, now start pushing. Okay, but if somebody is searching and if that search result matches, then the time would be very close to the publishing time. Okay, so do this way. Like, if you feel that you are in Indian time zone, publish around 5:30 or 6, or schedule around 5:30 or 6. Same way in your own country, wherever you are, check what time you should be, it should be preferred. Okay, accordingly. Now, time zone also, here it is AM, PM showing. You can select your time zone from here as well. If you are not in here, I have chosen local time, so it is showing like this. But if you're into some other time zone, please select it accordingly. So let's say I want to,
The 5 p.m., 6 p.m., it's a AM or PM?
PM.
Okay. So always it's every niche it should be at 6 p.m.
No, initially you will have to select that time, but eventually once your channel gets some traction, then if you go to analytics, in audience section, YouTube only will be showing you what is the best time for your channel to publish. Then you follow that timetable. Let me show you. So here, as you can see, this kind of a graph would appear, which will say that individual date-wise, as per last 28 days, when your content was watched maximum. So if I see my content, if I always publish on Wednesday, then it is better to publish at 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Okay, but if I am choosing Saturday to publish, it should be always 4 p.m. But unless and until, like for Sunday, it is 6 p.m. and 12 p.m. Okay, both the times. Okay. So you choose accordingly, but initially till the time this is not appearing, and this is the rule. Okay. You can also see who are watching here. Maximum, my audience is maximum male. Very low. Female is very low. How many people are watching with subtitle? How many people are watching in English, in Hindi? Okay. Some people do watch in Hindi also. Maximum people are watching in English. Okay. So you can see I have a very good audience from Indonesia and Philippines, actually. So, and US also. So that is how you can see from where I have US and India maximum now. But I used to have, I still have some audience in Indonesia and Philippines, because I teach there in one Philippine community, AI community. Okay. So that way. So unless and until this is available, this is the rule. Till the time this graph is available. Got it? Now, what is premiere? Premiere means, if I set premiere, then go to set premiere, you will have some options like ambient option. If you give, then it will be giving this kind of an outlook. It's a kind of trailer. or not trailer. I won't say this is trailer. This is a kind of countdown. Okay, it's about to begin or something like that with a message. Okay, so you have so many themes. Okay, so you can choose any of these themes, bright theme, any of these themes, and you can play also. Something like this. This will be played just 2 minutes or 3 minutes before. You can see the timeline, the 5 minutes till 5 minutes countdown. So it will be creating an urge. Like if I am putting 5:30, then 5:25 to 5:30, these type of thing will be available with a promo. And then 5:30, it will be movie released like that. Okay, but the best part for Premiere is engagement. If you create Premiere and if you sit while it is published, people do have a lot of queries, or they might ask you some questions, or you may chat with them. So your engagement increases for within first 1 hour only. So the main reason why Premiere is given is to give them an awareness that yes, at this time I am going to be live with you on chat. Okay, so that if the chat you will be on, you can also say that if you are the early viewer before publishing, then please remember I am available for 1 hour after publishing for answering your queries. So without coming on live, YouTube live, you can actually bring that feel that you are available, when you'll have to literally be available. Okay, and then you may save it. Okay, so this way you can create it, and finally just schedule. Okay, okay, so this is all, guys, what I wanted to cover today. I feel all the points are covered: title, description, playlist, tags. Okay, auto dubbing, subtitle I have already given. Auto dubbing is a feature which is given to all the videos. Like subtitle, auto dubbing is also given by YouTube itself. You don't have to do anything for this. Okay, next is iCard, end card I've given, publishing option I've shown. Clear? So today's agenda is over. Now I am free for answering your questions. If you have any question, please ask. Any question? Or I answered it all, more or less.
Madam,
Yes.
regarding movie software purchasing, I have dropped a message to you earlier. Have you got any idea?
That Movavi watermark is coming, sir.
Yes, yes, madam. That's why I want lifetime access by purchasing, paying.
Sir has a lifetime link. I don't have it available. You do one thing. You put it in main group addressing Kostuk. Kostuk has it. Sir has a lifetime licensing link for Movavi. Please ask for it. Kostuk will give you. So purchase from there by a Visa, Mastercard. Huh?
I put there also, but still now they didn't respond anybody.
Okay. Okay. Let me just communicate to Kostuk. You just drop another message. I will communicate to Kostuk. He will provide you in the main.
I'm waiting to upload.
I know. Just a second. I used to have it, yeah, but lately I don't know. Like 1 second, I will send it to Kostuk. Anybody else? Any question? Please, meanwhile, ask me.
As you told, once again I checked there
Okay, let me
to
check.
get UPI, but it shows like it is an international transaction. Better contact to bank.
Your international payment is not activated. You
Yes,
use internet banking or net banking?
no, not at all, madam. Only UPI. Through UPI, I am doing all transactions.
UPI, then you'll have to activate. If you have not done, you can do it by yourself, but you have not done before, then ask your bank, contact your bank to do it. International payment activation is mandatory. If you do not activate it, it will not allow you to do any international transaction. Lifetime Movavi link. Okay, I've sent it to him. Let's next question.
Okay, madam.
As soon as he provides me, I will send you in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
no other questions, I believe. So, guys, next week, mandatorily, see, these things will only make sense if you have picked up the right content. You know, SEO comes after you picked up the right content. So, your content research has to be done first. If you're not doing any research, first of all, you will not have the idea of your competitors. Right? What are they doing? How are they doing? If you don't, as a creator, you will have to first be an observer. If you're not observing, you will not be able to evaluate your own self. Right? Neither you will be getting any idea. You will do it from a fictitious idea which you have, which might not be suitable for you too. So for us, for creators, ideation, idea generation, reference, these makes a lot of sense. See and observe more and more competitors' videos. Try to find where you are getting stuck. You know, you should achieve a level where even seeing a video, you can understand that this part is B-roll and how they probably have done it. This part is sandwich text layering. This part is AI. This part is maybe avatar. Something like that. For example, I'm saying. So you should be able to understand how have they probably created it. If you do not achieve that level, then seek help from us till the time we are there. But if you are not stuck, then after 8 weeks, I am helpless. I will be moving on. You will fall into thousands of people and in between hundreds of people. And Saturday sessions are overcrowded. You know that. Those who are coming. So you will not get your answers. What will happen? After a few months, you will forget about the money you have paid and you will get into the flow of life. This happens to 90% of the people. So leverage these 8 weeks. If you don't have problem, I cannot help. If you go to a doctor for chit chat, will they entertain? They will ask, what is your problem, boss? बुखार है, पेट दर्द है, क्या problem है? Right? So if you do not come with problem, we are helpless. I will share the generic whatever agenda I have, but I would never be able to customize it because I don't know your problem. Right? So please face the problem, come with problem. I understand. If the questions are not coming, I understand that batch is conditioned. Trust me, I can foresee your future. Right? So I am doing my job, you do your job, it's for your good. I have done whatever I had to do. Whether you do it or not, my agenda would be fulfilled. My agenda will be completed. Sir cannot say that, Pallavi, you could not complete the agenda. I will do it. Right? But you will be sufferer. After 8 weeks, you will never see my face. Right? And you will be falling into a big group of people. Then you'll feel lost. Many people do say, I am not understanding anything. I am not getting the best out of the money which we have paid. Then what were you doing for 8 weeks sleeping? Right? When the mentor was there to help you, you were sleeping all the time. Now when you have finished that 8 weeks agenda, now you are asking, sir, that please give me another chance, this, that. Happens. Okay, so don't let that happen. See, faster you grow, it's your benefit, not mine. I have grown already. I have made my business. I am doing it now. I am making crores of transactions. Sir is doing that. Right? So only you need to be benefited. Right? So all I'm saying is YouTube is passive. Understand? It is not your main income stream yet. So I'll have to push you, otherwise you won't do it. Tomorrow, little bit, you will remember my face. By time you will be at the middle of the office, your boss will be thrashing you over phone. You will forget who is Pallavi, go to hell. 1 week के लिए तो shut up, है ना? फिर से संडे को I will appear in front of you with this सड़ा हुआ face, है ना? Then you will remember, अरे यार ये तो कुछ बोली थी, भूल भी गए यार, नेक्स्ट वीक कर लेते हैं, ठीक है ना? ऐसे करते करते 8 वीक उड़न छू, फॉलो मी उड़न छू, राइट? सो डोंट लेट इट हैपन. ओके, चलो, गुड नाइट, स्वीट ड्रीम्स, वर्क
Last
हार्ड,
question.
लेट्स रॉक. Yes, any
good night.
question left?
Yes, madam.
Yes, please.
So far, I have started my YouTube creation just I think 2 weeks before I joined Diamond program. So I already have 8 long videos and I think 32 short videos actually.
Excellent.
So no, my question is for those 8 videos, right? I don't have intro or outro stuff actually.
No problem. Don't delete anything. Whatever you have published, let it be. It has already generated a video, history, channel history. Henceforth, now you are literate, right? For this only you joined, right? Now next video, you don't publish without intro. No harm. Last video, you have not added, no problem. Don't delete anything.
Okay.
Nobody should delete any video from your previous creations.
Okay.
Next video, have these 5 parts.
Okay.
No problem.
Sure.
Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Sure. Bye. I'll see you next week. And I will be providing this recording tomorrow by end of the day. In
Sure.
YouTube link. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
YouTube link, like the previous one. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.